Hi guys, this is my first upload on this channel, and I'm going to try showing you some useful stuff. And I'm going to start off by designing a clip in Autodesk Fusion 360 in a very simple way. I'm trying to keep all the uploads to under 10 minutes, and hopefully you can learn something from them. So I'm just going to start a new design, and what I want to design today is this clip. I broke one of them. It's for a lamp, and I want to duplicate this one. So what I'm going to do in Fusion, it's just I'm going to insert a canvas. I'm just going to design it on this plane, and I pick my photo. I just took a photo with my phone. I'm gonna have this one. I'm just gonna place that over there, and I want to calibrate. I need to calibrate it to be sure that we have the right size. So I'm gonna go from 3 to 8, and that will be 50 millimeters. And then I'm gonna start a sketch on the same plane. Before I sketch, I want to move this canvas a little bit. So I'm gonna start in the 0 point. So I want to have one edge of the clip over there, like this, and then we can just go back to the sketch. Just start with lines. Just a line out here, and just continue with the arc. Then again, line straight right, and then just straight down, and to the right, and then another arc, and finally a line. Okay, so we need to add one tangent constraint here, and we need to add some dimensions. This one seems to be like 6 millimeters. I think this is like 21, and I think this should be like 3. And over here we have something about 13, and here we have about 7, and we need the radius here. It should be 2, I think, and this one should be about 6 also. And if we take a closer look at this now, we need some angles. So I think 45 here should be good, and if we add then 30 over here, it should be good. If we now just look a little bit closer on the canvas to see if we are close to the design. Looks pretty close, so let's go with that. And then I want to move to the patch space, and I want to go create extrude, and I'm gonna extrude this. It was, I think, 11.5. I measured this guy 11.5 millimeters. I'm gonna add another color so we can see better, like that. Let me put that on the top of the design. This is unsaved. Let's just save it. Lamp clip. Okay, but we need to add some thickness. So create, thicken, and I want it to be symmetric, and it's supposed to be 2 millimeters in the body itself, so 1 on each side of the line. It should be just a new body, and then we just add some fillets inside, 1 millimeter on the inside, and that's up here, fillet, or just F on the keyboard, 2 millimeter outside. Then we are close. I think that will do it for us. And this I'm of course going to 3D print, so I just go make and save this as STL. Lamp clip. That's it for you to print out. I hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe you can fix something at home with this technique. Thanks.